I'll give you a little recap on IWM once again. Y'all gonna get to know this is probably one of my favorite tickers to trade. Anyways, let's get straight to it. We're gonna start with yesterday's levels. We don't go too in depth just because we already did this, but that's resistance, this is support, and this is gonna be our sweet zone. So we get through 5 minutes we don't want the sweet zone to be too broad. Go from here to here. That's cool. And then we can drag this all the way over to the next day. You see how I made the sweet zone before I even seen the day? You might think, oh, but you already planned this out. Like, no, you can do this any day. It's gonna kind of give you levels. So the indicators, I can give you this as well. So it's not me making this up. But anyways, so yeah, that's the point we want to get to. This is where we stopped. This is like our point we want to get to. And we're gonna see like, all right, what's going on? This is the point with sweet spot, and this is the point. If we get below this, then I don't know. This might be kind of funky. You might look for the downside. But as the day starts, this is what it is. We gap down. Phew, I'm already disappointed. I'm like, dang, but we gapping down off of a strong day, so it's expected. So now I'm all focused on this area. So now this sweet zone, it's not even in play right now. So now I've got new levels coming into 930. This is still going to be a zone because it's relevant to us yesterday. This is a zone because it's relevant right now. All right. Looking at the 1 minute chart. Gap down. My ideology behind gaps. We're going to fill them eventually. Just know that. If we got some momentum on the upside, we most likely will be filling it today. If not, come back. And when it gets to that area, it's going to be a nice gap fill. But anyways, gap down. Boom. Holding support from yesterday. Playing around. It's like quick 5 minutes. This 5 minutes right here, I'm not playing it at all. Next 5 minutes, just chopping around. Like, I don't even know what to expect, but this doji candle, especially being right here, I'm like, all right, showing support. It's showing nice resistance. Oh my God, I'm messing up. It's showing nice support at yesterday's support. Anyway, now so I'm starting to get interested. I'm like, all right, cool. Let's see if this is the double bounce that I be looking for. Boom. Came up like it's coming up, but it's what right volume is weird. It's just all right, cool, whatever. Boom. Came back down. It didn't get a new low, but it's made a significantly higher high compared to where we was at. So I'm like, all right, cool. This is nice. This is nice. This bar right here, it kind of made me feel happy. I'm like, boom. There we go. Now we trading above the official support that I had yesterday. We actually bounced off it with nice volume. Let me get you the volume chart, bro. Oops. Bouncing off nice volume. So 947. Is that 47? Yep. I can post these in the Discord if y'all want, but just to proof, I think I'm capping. But yeah, 947 jumped in. Actually, I was live this morning. 947 jumped in. I'm thinking, all right, now we're trading inside this consolidation range from yesterday. I'm like, okay, cool. Boom, boom, boom. Once I seen these 3 bars, I'm like, oh yeah, we in there. I'm getting in there. Once it came to this, I think I added 2 more. Boom. I'm like, all right, cool. I was, once I get to my entries and exits, it's all about the strat, boy. I ain't gonna cap. Sometimes I'll be like, I might hold this. Looking good, bro. It's looking good. But yeah, it's all about the stratty. This was my entrance. This is my exit if it goes below. Got in. So I think now I'm at this point. I'm at 9 contracts. Boom. Duded on me. Stopped out like all my contracts. I was so upset. I'm like, yo, this is supposed to work. This is supposed to work. Anyways, broke down. At this point, I'm out the trade. I'm looking at it like, all right, at least I saved my money. So I'm done with the trade. I stopped looking at IWM. I went over to like Pfizer. I think I was playing Dallas. DAL, which is Delta. I played JetBlue. But anyways, this is what the whole video is about. It's about understanding the markets. Like, you have to look at your trades and you just have to start to form some type of repetition, some type of system and formula that works specifically for you, Because I know at 10 o'clock, that's when I trade the best. Like, at 10 o'clock, that's when I see most of the directional changes in the stock market that's going to show me where this stock is actually going. Like, if it's hitting my levels, but it's 930, 920, that's a 920. It could be 920. I got levels early. But if it's like 930, 945, those times are real choppy. Like, look at the wicks; they're wicking up and down. It's getting crazy. Like, but if you just look at things at 10 o'clock, just test it out on stocks as well. Like, but don't test it out on a random stock. Be like, oh, 10 o'clock, it didn't go straight up. 10 o'clock didn't go straight down. He's lying. Next time you play a stock, just try to wait till 10 o'clock. Like a stock that you're interested in, a stock that you see levels and that you would actually play. Just wait till 10 o'clock and see if that change actually like starts to make an impact in your trading. I'm not gonna say it's gonna work every time, but I'm not gonna lie, majority of the time, wait until 10 o'clock, wait until 9:50, 9. You feel me? At least 9:50, because it's like that 5 minute pre-run up, that 10 o'clock extra, and that 10:05. I don't know. Within that 15-minute range, there always just seems to be something hitting the market or something making the stocks go in the correct direction, like in the direction that they want to go in. But anyways, let's look at it. If I was to start right here, let's say this is 10 o'clock. All right, if I was to start right here with the same exact chart and layouts and everything, I would have probably been way happier today. Like, look at it. I'm like, all right, cool. We start here. What is this? Yeah, 10 o'clock. All right, start here. Boom. Nice green bar. The volume's looking good. Nice green bar. Boom, boom, boom. We're holding support from yesterday, like the real bottoms from yesterday. It's looking good. All right, cool. Boom. Broke it down. Well, what's the word here? Think about it. We got some. Why is it so green? Well, it's a doji, I guess. I couldn't even see it. But right here, it's a doji with some nice momentum. So I'm thinking, all right, we might have a reversal. It didn't look too crazy. Obviously, at this point, I want to push up. But like we started at this area. It's quote unquote 10 o'clock, 9:30. We started at this area. So it's just consolidation at support. Don't worry about it. Now we're in a situation where we're breaking above. We didn't get past this doji, but we're breaking above with strong volume. This is a situation where I'm interested in it. Because if we started right here, I'm interested right here. Because we above. We trading above right now. I would have jumped in here. We'd have been good. There's no reason to stop out. No wicks. No wicks made you stop out this trade. Now look, PB game. If I was to jump in right here, just like, whatever. This is amazing. There's no wicks that would stop me out. So now I'm moving my stop up here. Once this bar finishes, I'm moving my stop up here. I don't even want to make too many lines because it's going to look annoying. Actually, we're going to clear all these lines. Just so y'all can see, like, yo, if you time these trades a little better, if you actually give it the patience, you let these things play out, then you're going to see way better results. And that 10 o'clock, that 10 o'clock move is kind of crazy. So you jump in right here. Listen, this is your stop. After this bar forms, that's your stop. So now you're trading right here. It didn't get to nowhere near your stop. Boom. Once this bar is done, now you move your stop up. Stop is good. There's no wicks. There's nothing wicking you out. Once that bar is done, move your stock up. Once that bar is done, move your stock up. There's no wicks that's making you lose this trade. Once this red bar is making you say, okay, I don't know what's going on. You keep your stop loss right there. Then you see this big green bar. You're like, oh, whoa, okay, cool. This is just a minor pullback, consolidation. Go up. Once you see this next green bar, this closes. What you do? You do here. But in some situations, certain people might say, yo, it's red. All right, I'm gonna try to do this now. I'm gonna do this now. You're like, ooh, okay. This is kind of smarter because this is the area of consolidation. So if it does go up and then you see some red, then it's like, all right, this is the area that's considered quote unquote support. So I want to be in a situation where if it goes below this, I'm safe. So you can move your stop here if you want. But personally, them 0-day options, man, or the 1-day options, I'm right here. Now I would have been done out the trade. I would have caught good 100, 200%, 300%. Probably would have tried to scale in. I didn't see no pullbacks. I probably would have tried to scale in right here. And then once that all formed out, I would probably try to have, boom, nice little stop here. I would have made an extra, whatever, on these little 2-3 contracts I added. Boom, got stopped out. Been a great day. That's if everything played out correct, but that's just a 10 o'clock movement. Just gotta wait till 10 and see what happens. Test it out. Anyways, we live trading 9:30, 9 o'clock. Link in the